Today is August 31st, 2016. Back to the StocksToTrade trade recap. Going to focus on two stocks today, one trade and one non-trade, and we'll go from there. So the trade I did make was RIGL. I posted this to social early that I was looking to scale into pops on this. I shorted pre-market in the 370s, I think the high 370s. It got up a little bit above that, almost 390, but then straight fade. Never, what you can see I've got my lines. What I really wanted was to get some squeeze, some push up to 4 to kind of scale in, and then this exact price action is what I wanted. Now, I only had a beginner, kind of a smaller size, but got exactly the fade I wanted. I mentioned it in the in a webinar earlier that my goal was this thing to fade all day, ideally a late day crack or a gap down the next day. So I didn't really have much size, so I just went ahead and held that short. You can see this other line up here, that would have been my stop. If it would have broke yesterday's high, I would have covered. But because of my position size and because of just kind of the fading and everybody's moving on, forgetting about it, I held overnight, and ideally I will get a gap down. I'm not looking to swing this at all. If it goes sideways or gaps down, basically no matter what, I'll be out tomorrow morning. Even if it spikes, I'll get out. I mean, I got an okay average. Just not looking to ride this one long term, especially going into the holiday weekend and stuff like that. So overall, a nice trade, and we'll see how it works out tomorrow. The other one that I missed was SPU. I was mentioned that I was looking to short pops in this, but I never, when I say pops, I was thinking, maybe to 9 or a little over 9. Never expected this rip like this. Again, I had no entry because of the fact it's a low float stock. I never do short fading, slow moving, low float stocks. Why? Because this kind of stuff happens. Because all it takes when you've got a thin, low float stock like this is a literally a couple short sellers can create this spike when they freak out and hit the exits. And that's all this is. Geo Investing, they're a well-known hit piece writer. Evidently, what I've gathered, they covered the stock. Everyone assumed it was a short when actually they were positive on this stock. So again, that news hit. Shorts panic, you get a crazy rip. Now, another trade that I discussed in the webinar that I didn't take was kind of this midday. It really kind of based and was trending up right here. And I was considering a buy, but then he got a little bit of a yank. Now, in hindsight, great. I mean, crazy squeeze, rip up in the close. I mean, this thing was $21 a few days ago. You've got this hit piece writer upside down. Who knows how many shorts are in there? So even though, say I had bought it, I'm sure I would have sold into this big drop. But had you been watching, I mean, that reclaim, it's late in the day. You're talking 10 after 3. Again, not that I expected this. But the biggest lesson, in my opinion, here is if this stock is just kind of weak and slow out of the open, that is not a short entry because of the fact that you want to get short into pops. You don't want to short breakdowns on thin stocks like this. So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.